And then we're filling the rest of the stud cavities with Rockwool's R23 Comfort Bat, which will fit into a 5.5-inch stud cavity. So this places the total R value of the wall assembly at around R39, which is more or less an R21.5 effective R value. So what do I mean by effective R value? Well, every time we run into a wood stud or a framing component, that's a potential thermal bridge. Wood has a thermal resistance of R1 per inch, making it more conductive than the insulation in the cavity. So at all the studs, the actual R value of the wall assembly is R21.5, not R39, since it's solid wood at those locations, not insulation. Given it's not that much, since this is only at stud and framing locations, but it reduces the overall efficiency of the wall assembly. So it's not a true R39 wall, but either way, this continuous rigid insulation makes a huge difference in terms of thermal performance by providing a thermal break. If you have an R16 thermal break on the exterior of your wall assembly, you're doing pretty well. So we're filling the stud cavities with our Rockwool bats. This also provides some additional fire protection to the assembly since fire can't travel up within this space, as Rockwool is non-combustible and is an approved fire blocking material. And then we can install our standard gypsum board over that for our interior finish material.